Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a good week, and I just noticed last night that the leeks are well overdue getting planted out, so they're pretty big. As you can see, they are pretty big, but we'll get them in anyway. They're getting pretty root bound, but they'll still be okay. So what I do with leeks is, with the roots, sort of trim them off. So I've still got plenty of time to take. I can just get them apart. I don't know, leeks is one of the crops I've not had a great lot of success with. I done a pot them last year and I got a clump like this as well, but out's better than out, and then we got there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, that'll be enough. And then trim them off to the top. In the compost. And then, I don't know what you call this, I call it a dabbler. It's just a broken spade handle. So you make a hole, stick them in. And with the holes, make sure you don't fall them back in. What you do is, you get the watering can and you water them in like that. Pull them right up. This is a brand new bed this year. It was previously a thyme plant. It was getting strangled with bindweed. It was really hard to get in to get the bindweed out of it. So, no, sorry, a rosemary plant. So the rosemary came out and the bed went in. So I had beetroot in here, I had peas, and I also got a chard plant. so they'll take no problemo. Got their roots and everything. Just this will be topped up again before the next growing season. So I'll leave the compost in there. That's them in. And just remember, if you do plant leeks, don't fill the holes in. Just put them in the hole and then water them and the sides will fall in. And also I want to show you this. That's another one of my new beds. So I should actually been danger money dodging wasps. So there's a few spring onions left in there that I'll need to get out. If you look down there, that's a wasp nest. So yeah, so it's planting leeks and dodging the wasps. Title of this video. Right, while we're here, we'll have a wee look round. So I think you've probably seen this cherry tomato. As I've mentioned before, I've put short beans in here because they draw nitrogen in and feed the tomato plant. So if you look at the amount of fruit that's on it, and I've picked a fair bit as well, I think it's worked. So I will be repeating next year. That's the rhubarb crown that I put in last year. So because it's its first year, even though I'm really tempted because they're nice big bits of rhubarb, I'm leaving it to next year. You're supposed to leave them a couple of years before you pick them when you put new roots in. The variety of that champagne, which is a really nice one. Then the courgette, there's still two growing away there. I'll take them out tomorrow. They're more like maras now, but I'll just I use them in my soup maker, just fire in a load of stuff with them and just make soup out them. So that's quite nice. I think I counted last night, 17 courgettes I've taken out there. Still two flowers, so I'm maybe getting another couple. Beetroot I left go to seed to see if I can get it, if I can be successful with that. I have no idea. It's just went absolutely mental. That's only one plant, so who knows what's in here. There could be anything in there. It's a strawberry plant, so I'm just going to put the sprinkler on and a wee drink. That's the ones that I took off with runners. The beans grew on one side, didn't grow on the other side, but I'm getting a few off. There's one there. I've got, yeah. And then these beef tomatoes, there's plenty coming there. I stared at this off and let it went a bit wild, so I've really cut back the lower leaves and the suckers. I just want to show you this sweet corn. So that's it behind me. So I'm 6 feet. So I'd say that's a good 7 foot. I think it's because we've had this unusual hot spell for so long, everything's just went crazy. Starting to form cobs on there. So I will shortly put a video on about how I protect it, and it isn't with socks. Bit of beetroot in there. It's the last year of this apple tree. They'll be ready to pick soon. I'm not eating apples or cooking apples, because these beds, this size, which is about, I think they're 1.2 metres square, I can get another two where that apple tree is. And like the rosemary bush, it's just a problem to get in to get the bindweed out. So that's getting cut down in the winter, because I don't really use it enough. So I'll definitely get two in there. So it'll make things more productive. Charred in the Belfast sink. A couple of the autumn champion onions, I'll let them go to seed. Never ever really had much success growing onions for seed, but they were such a good crop this year. I thought I'll get will be at a blast. And that's them there. So they were overwintered onions, garlic, that's still in there. So anyway, I hope you liked that video. That was an apple falling off the tree. I hope you liked that video, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.